Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of are you doing well. Stay home, stay safe. Children, before studying today's lesson, I will take a quick revision of after, before, and between number. Remember, we have done after, before, and between number in our Oxford Advantage Little Champs All About Me book, Theme 2 book. Yes, and there we have done between number 1 to 10, right? So let's do some practice. Here you can see the circles are there. You have to write number. First, before number. This is before number. So what is the before number of 3? And that time also I said, whenever you are doing before, between, and after number, you have to do forward counting. So start counting 1 2 3. So which number comes before 3? 2. So 2. Now which number will come before 6? Again start forward counting 1 2 3 4 5 6. Stop. So before 6, which number we have said? 5. So before 6, 5. So here before 2, 2 is, which number comes before 2? 1. By forward counting we get. Now 8. Which number comes before 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. Which number we say before 8? 7. Similarly, 10. Which number comes before 10? Forward counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. So before 10, 9. And before 5, if you do forward counting, we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4, right? So in this way we can find out before number. How? We have to count till the number. Forward counting we have to do, so we will get the before number. And similarly between number, first one is, see, between number between 1 and 3. 1 and 3 ke between number. So again do forward counting 1 2 3. Stop. Now see which number you have said after 1? 2, right? Then you said 3. So 2 is your between number. Similarly 6 and 8. Again we have to do forward counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Which number you said? 6 7 8. So 7 will be between number. Children, always remember, before and after number you have to say till the number which is on right hand side. देखो यहाँ पे number 3 था, so we count till number 3. यहाँ पे number 8, so between number 6 and 8 की between number I have counted till number 8. So whenever you have to, you want to find before number, between number, even after number also, you have to do forward counting. See, now if I say the after number 5, which number comes after 5? So you have to count 5 till, not till 5. 5 के बाद वाले number तक आपको count करना है forward counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Stop. So 6 is your answer, right? Ma'am has to teach you how to find out before, between, and after number, but that time we did between 1 to 10. Now children, as we have learned number 11 to 20, so we have to do the same thing with 11 to 20. Now can you see here I also have before, between, and after number. So what I will do first, first we will do before number. The first number is showing 9, is 9. 1 minute. Can you see 9? Yes. 9. What is the before number of 9, children? You know, you have to count till 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here I will write 8, right? Similarly, when I will ask what is the before number of 12, can you see here 12? What is the before number of 12? So what you have to do? You have to count till 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop. So which number we have said before 12? 11. Here also you have to do forward counting, just like we have done for 1 to 10. Now between number 10 and 12. So what you have to do? We have to count till 12. Then we will get the between number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So children write 11 because we have said 12 before 11. So 10 and 12 between number also we need forward counting. Same with after number. So what is after number of 19? So we have to count नंबर 19 तक नहीं, 19 के एक नंबर आगे तक. लेट्स सी 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what is the after number of 19? 20. Okay. Children, I know you know the after and before number, but what we need to practice, we have to practice forward counting. Now everyone take your book and for which book? Oxford Advantage Plants and Animals, Theme 3 book, and open page number 34. Here what you have to do, they have given picture of some pumpkins. They have said you have to see the pumpkins, the numbers are written, and you have to think which number will come before, after or between, right? The first one only before and after. See, first one they have done. The next one you have to do. They have given 15 between number. So what is the before number of 15? You have to do forward counting, right? Forward counting. You can take help of this line, but I will ask you do forward counting till 15. So you will get to know which number comes before 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stop. So before 15, which number we have said? 14. So 14. Now there is one more pumpkin after 15. So you have to count. You have to say the after number of 15. So after number के लिए 15 के बाद एक number हमें count करना है. So we have counted 14, 15, right? Now after 15, 16. Now children, if you use this number line, it will be very easy. But I will ask you practice forward counting, because if you don't have the number line, then how we will write? The forward counting only is going to help you. Now I will not do this too. You will complete and by yourself, because ma'am has already told you. Similarly, here we have to write between. This one we will do 12 and 14 between number. So we have to count till 14. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Stop. Just which number we have said before 14? 13. So write 1, 3, 13. Same way we have to complete this one. So children, 1 minute. Which one you will do? This one and this one you will do by yourself. And I will ask you to complete this by using forward counting. It is going to help you. Okay children, so start your work. Until then, bye, take care.